Go.
One group of animals that have attracted a lot of interest in terms of environmental care and conservation in recent years have been our bees, particularly our honeybees. We know that they are imperiled. We've been abusing them in all sorts of ways, notably by using too many pesticides in the environment, and the wrong sort of pesticides too. But it's not just about honeybees. In the UK we have more than 260 species of native bee here, including those fluffy favourites, the bumblebees, lots of mining bees, which people now have mining bee nests hanging on the side of their house. And all of these together are incredibly important pollinators, and therefore we need to look after them, because some of the things they pollinate are our food. So what we'd like you to do is to get Newport buzzing. Get Newport to be a good place for bees. If it's a happy place for bees, it'll be a happy place for me's, and that will be a much better place to be.